In today's video, I will show you how to enable Vanish Mode on Messenger. First, open Messenger on your device and make sure you are signed in. Once you are on the home page, find and click on the chat you want to manage. Then, click the eye icon at the top right corner of your screen to open the conversation settings. Fun fact, Messenger's disappearing messages are completely built into its end-to-end encrypted architecture, meaning your temporary texts stay secure before they vanish. Now, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Support section, and then click on Disappearing Messages under it. From here, click on 24 hours to set your time limit. Once you go back to the chat page, you will see disappearing message visible right at the text bar, letting you know your new messages are temporary. And that's it. That's how you enable Vanish Mode on Messenger.